What are you doing?
I'm washing your hair. Very dirty. Oh, we need more shampoo. Good. Purple hair dye.
Purple, no.
Just a small bit.
What are you doing? That's a lot.
Let's wash it in.
No! What are you doing? You're making a mess. I told you.
Oh,
Is it?
it looks good.
Does it?
Yes.
It's purple.
Yes.
What is all this, Joe?
Clean hair.
No, more shampoo.
Shampoo? My first delivery. Wait here. Oh.
How are you?
Shampoo. Oh. Here, shampoo.
Yes! Is it very purple?
It is.
Good work.
It's very clean.
I don't.
Now, Rosie, it's time to dry your hair.
Dry the hair.
Let's love sign. Dry. Dry. You sign. Dry. Good. Dry.
Now, Daisy, can I have that, please? It's not working. Oh, no.
It's broken.
My next delivery. Wait here. Oh. Aha! Hair dryer.
Don't know hair dryer.
No?
No.
That is not the same, but it will still work. Sorry.
She looks silly.
I was enjoying that.
Now, let's see your new hair.
I look away.
Look away.
No, I look away because
I love it.
Yes!
It's so different.